Breaking news on Martyn Lucas Investor. We are going to have a quick look at the FFIE chart for you guys. Just an update on the buy levels I'm looking at, the sell levels. If there's any more news we can look into, but it's a quick update. So please do consider watching to the end and do hit the like button if you are a fan of FFIE and if you still believe in it. So here we go. This is the chart of FFIE. This is on the daily time frame. We had a very volatile Friday. Of course, Roaring Kitty has gone back live. Terrible performance from him. GameStop came all the way down. However, FFIE held strong, actually closing 12% up on Friday. So there's lots of people interested in FFIE. One thing I did notice on the Roaring Kitty live section of the comments is a lot of people commenting FFIE, so maybe that grabs his attention. Maybe he talks about FFIE as well, but FFIE has got a much smaller market cap, so it's much more volatile. What we have here is quite a bearish candle. It did close green and above resistance, so it's still above support, which is good. However, having that candle like that does mean that there's not that much confidence on that day trading, and when you have a shooting candle like that to the upside, it does signify downside. So my next buy-in zones for FFIE would be around the 38 cents, 44 cents, and then we're looking, if we break 38 cents, then it's not looking too good. Maybe 30 cents will be my next buy zone. My sell zones are around 90 cents and $1. If we get back up to $1, I think $1 will be key. Breaking back above $1 will be great. Remember, that's the area you need to be back above $1 to not be delisted. And unfortunately, we didn't meet the criteria of staying above $1. We're actually 2 days away from meeting the criteria. We do have a hearing for FFIE with NASDAQ so they can present their case and stay listed. But if it gets back to $1, I feel like there's going to be a lot of short sellers as well as limit orders to sell around $1. So I'd like to be getting out maybe at 98 cents, taking some profits if it gets back to $1. And if we get back above $1, then I'll do an update video, but maybe we start looking at again $2. However, for now, FFI is not looking brilliant. I expect this week to come back down to maybe the 40-cent region for FFIE. So that was my quick update. I'm looking at the MACD. It's trending back up. However, it's still red, so the momentum is still to the downside, and the RSI on the daily is in no man's land. It's in 50. It's at 50, meaning it's not bullish or bearish. If you look at the weekly time frame for the indicators, the weekly close, and we've had 3 red candles trying to stay above 60 cents. If we break 60 cents, then we can start looking much further to the downside, and the RSI on the weekly is at 36, bearish control zone, not oversold. So I'll be very careful with FFIE. Again, I don't give financial advice. Don't put more than you can afford to lose, and do your own research before investing. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other.